Hello everyone, welcome to Developer channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change ringtone in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. From here, scroll down a bit. Then go to sounds and vibration. From here, tap on ringtone. Now from here, you can select any ringtone that you like. Also, if you have two SIM cards in your phone, you can select different ringtone for different SIM cards. From here, you can select ringtone for SIM card 1. Also, by tapping here, you can select ringtone for SIM card 2. Also, you can increase or decrease ringtone volume from here. If you want to add any ringtone, you can add ringtone by tapping here. From here, you can choose any ringtone that you like. And that is how you can change ringtone in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.